It may surprise many people, but Africa is leading the way when it comes to remotely piloted vehicles, especially when it's coming to freight. I'm with Sanjeev Gadia, who's the CEO of Astral Aviation based in Nairobi. And they've come up with a new concept for deliveries with a rather large UAV, or a rather large drone, in fact. So, Sanjeev, tell us what this is.
The 2 tons cargo drone will have a multiple purpose of applications. We plan to start it off with the aid and relief sector by providing a reliable transportation system for the transportation of relief and aid cargo in regions which are affected by conflict or by famine. And then we're also looking at other applications such as oil and gas and mining. The Flyox cargo drone has multiple applications. So in the morning we could be doing crop spraying, and in the afternoon we could be doing deliveries for the post office, and in the evening we could be doing a transportation for oil and gas and mining equipment. So it's got multiple applications which can be done with the same asset, and the ability for the pilot on the ground to actually fly a number of the cargo drones without leaving the comfort of his chair.
Okay, now this is the first in the world to be operating like this.
Yes.
How difficult is that to get the regulations?
Yes, it's been a very difficult journey. We had 3 rejections, and the rejections was mainly because of the lack of understanding of what the cargo drone could do. So after 9 months of working very closely with the regulators, we finally managed to get our approval in February this year, and we expect to test the drone by July in Kenya for a period of 3 to 6 months in different elevations, so that we can be able to get the optimum levels of flight performance. And by the end of this year, we would be able to now get this into our AOC, so that in the beginning of next year, we would now be able to offer it as a commercial service to the various clients that we already have.
Now, it's not only the big 2-ton drone that you're using. You're undertaking a program at the moment, aren't you, that's doing effectively the post office job. Tell me about that small drone.
I'm very excited to work on a pilot project, which is the first one of its kind in Africa, where in collaboration with the Post Office of Kenya, we are doing a 3-month test project, very similar to what Amazon is doing in the UK. What we plan to do is to do tests of a 5 kilograms drone and a virtual post office box which stays on top of the house or the establishment. And the idea is to try and do a delivery of mail, courier and e-commerce items into the airbox, which is what it's called. This has a multiple number of benefits, and the main one is the fact that it gives the address, which is something which is so badly required, because 99% of the population of Africa does not have an address. So here we're going to create a physical address and create a safe transportation mechanism of where the drone can safely deliver the item to the person's box, and then he will receive a notification as soon as the delivery has been made, and then he can be able to access the airbox at any given time.
So to see more about this project and others that are happening, do subscribe to wearefin.com. See you there.